Okay. Do you have any questions so far?
No, it's okay.
Okay. Before we look at the set, I would like to ask you just a few quick questions.
Sure.
First, what's your occupation? What do you do all day?
I'm a full-time student, so I mainly do some homework assignments and also reports of my lab. My major is chemistry, and yeah, play some games.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, roughly how many hours a week altogether, just a ballpark estimate, would you say you spend using the internet, include web browsing and email at work and at home?
Okay, I gotta say I use internet while like 8 hours or less. Um, Overall, I spend much time on internet. Okay.
Okay. And what's the split between email and browsing? Just a rough percentage.
Okay, rough percentage I'd say about 90% is browsing because I don't really much looking at my email. Just check like UVM box.
Just for the information.
Yeah.
Okay. Next question. What kind of sites are you looking at when you browse the web?
That's a good question. I like browsing YouTube and hang around on YouTube and look some videos or animes. So just having fun. And anything else? I had to say maybe some website of games. Yeah, yeah. I think that's all.
Okay, just video and games.
Yeah.
No news.
No news.
No one care news. Okay. So do you have any favorite websites?
Yeah, of course, YouTube.
Yeah, that's the best way.
Yeah.
Okay, great. We're done with questions and we can start looking at things.
Okay.
Okay. First, I'm going to ask you to look at this page and tell me what you make of it, what strikes you about it, whose site you think it is, and what you can do here and what it is for. Just look around and do a little narrate. You can scroll if you want to, but just don't click on anything yet. Just check.
Okay. Well, I think it can scroll up.
Yep.
So it's kind of like a Google Map to me, I have to say, and yeah, pretty much the same. But it seems like not regularly like Google Map, because as I imagine in Google Map, it's still based on photos, but this photos are much more higher quality
Yep.
and also has many dots.
What do
Uh,
you think it is?
I don't know. You said don't click on it. Okay, so
You can just guess. It's
yeah.
fine.
Okay, mainly I think it's like about web development, because I have seen some like pictures of the countries in the whole world, like the brightness of each country, and the more brightness on the country means there is more like website or something on the places. So, and the dots split on the map seems like yeah, really like them. And I had to say the qualities really impressed me, and also you can see the edge and the bottom of the sea. I think not much maps will show them. And yeah, it's great. High quality of the map. It's great.
What do you think? Is that some company or some personal made this web page? What do you think?
As to if it's
or government?
personal, yeah, maybe more government or Google like, because I think this page is really much looks like based on Google
Google
Map.
Map?
Yeah. So I think, hmm, if it's a government, I have to say it's really have many information or database into that.
So what's the purpose to make this website? Just guess.
Well, hmm, definitely some locations or some applications on the land, or also on the sea, or something like artificial article architect. I mean.
Okay,
Mhm.
thanks. Now I'm going to ask you to try doing some specific tasks. I'm going to read each one out aloud and give you a printed copy. I'm also going to ask you to do this task without using search. Remember, you cannot use searching bar
Okay.
or other search website. We will learn a lot more about how well the site works that way. And again, as much as possible, it will help us if you can try to think out loud as you go along.
Okay.
Yeah, just tell me what you're saying and what
Yeah.
you're doing. Yeah.
Okay. Let's start it.
Okay. For the first question for you, and your first mission is just try to figure out what's the differences between these dots. As you say, there are many dots and they have the different colors.
Yeah.
So your mission is just tell me what's the difference between them. Just tell me the function, maybe the purpose.
Okay. So now I can click on them.
Yes, sure.
Okay. That's much better. Okay. I like oranges. Let me see. Oh, it's home on the sea. Wow, rich man. Okay, so it's hmm, Australia. Okay, so what's yellow point? Oh, what? Oh, it's hard to click on it. Okay, energy. Oh, okay, seems great. Wow, Australia great. All right, that's not so miscellaneous. Okay, I don't actually know what is it.
Is that even a point?
Yeah, you can see a gray little point here.
Whoa.
So it's not easy to find. Okay, so if there's a green point, flora and fauna. Oh, test data. Okay. If you say those dots are really strange to me, so it's not.
It's fine.
Yeah, it's not
Just
totally related to Google Map. I have to say. Yeah. Okay. Environment.
if you can guess, just tell me what you got the information about those different dots.
Yeah, I think it's mainly some like critical buildings environment. You can see here's a open weather map station,
Yep.
and also is a weather station, so it's like many stations here. And this one, yeah, it seems like also some kind of experiment. And yeah, and the blue and purple dots are like occupied the most places on the world. So I think it's mainly just some, yeah, critical buildings.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's continue to our second question. What is Thinful? You can say the title is about Thinful.
Yeah.
It's also the website's name. So what do you think about it? What you can find the information about this site? Again, no search bar.
Okay, so its name is Beta. So I think it's over the alpha version. Now it's open data version. And also, if I want to know this website,
Just more
meaning,
detail.
yeah, about us. Okay, so it's about a company. It's like some. Oh, they have their own team.
Yeah.
It's good. And I want to know how to use this web page. Oh, okay. That's I don't know. It seems great. They are like parking lot
Yeah.
and like locations, personal locations,
Transport.
weather, fax borrowing, I think.
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, and camera and cars location. Okay, yeah, that's remind me like a full information of the like daily life.
Yeah.
Like you can use this app to unlock your cars or borrow a bike
Yeah.
or
Parking your car.
yeah, parking your car and looking at the camera of your home. That's great.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the last question for you, maybe it's the hardest one. Just tell me where you can find a transport in Vermont.
Transport.
Yeah. Maybe you
Okay.
just need to figure out which point means transport.
Transport. Okay. Oh, lucky. So I think the purple dot means transport. So you said find the transport of Vermont, right?
Yep, in Vermont.
So can I use the search bar now?
No, you
Okay.
can.
Okay, so it's just a geometry test, right?
Yeah.
All right, my geometry is poor. Okay. So is this like some experiment? So purple dot have so it seems like pink dot, and this one is purple dot. Oh, but it is also an experiment. All right. They have this similar color of the experiment and transport. Oh, I don't even know where I am. Okay. So is there any special dots on here? Oh, environment.
I think you go far away from Vermont.
Yeah, I know. So am I still on America?
Sure.
Okay. So it should be like here. You know, New York have many transport, right? Yeah, Queens. So Burlington should be on the north. North and north. Okay. So may I use the search bar now?
No.
Oh, come on. We got to spend all night here. Okay, still New York.
Are you gonna give up?
Yeah, I'm gonna give up.
Okay, this is the hardest one. That's fine.
Uh-huh.
If you can finish that question. Uh, thanks. That's very helpful.
You're welcome.
If you will excuse me for a minute, I'm just going to say if the people on the team have any follow-up questions they had like me to ask you. Okay. Uh, do you have any question for me? Now that we're done?
Yeah, I'm good. I think this is a good website to explore.
Okay. Thank you again.
Yeah, you're welcome.